What's up, YouTube?
We are back.
All that.
I'm just doing your part, which is normally
All that.
5 minutes of that.
Back with another video, baby! Yep.
Guys, we're jumping right into today's video with another banger because that's all we ever bring you, right, Chef and Chefettes? And you guys are probably really excited because you see all these colorful things back here. So today we're going to make a delicious mango peach wings. Some delicious mango peach wings, not just one. See the wings back here? We have 26 wings back here, guys. That's how much we hungry. So we're gonna eat good. So for these wings, you're gonna need these ingredients. We have salt, black pepper, we have onion powder, garlic powder, some Cajun seasoning, right? That has all-purpose seasoning in there. We have some cayenne pepper, ground paprika, some honey, some starch, because it's gonna make the chicken crispy, some butter, brown sugar, so the wings, and hello, of course, we're gonna need mango and peach, guys. That's everything you're gonna need to make this delicious recipe. So stay tuned to see what we're gonna do with all this ingredients.
All right, chefs and chefettes, I hope y'all hit that subscribe button. Because like Chef Sam said, this is gonna be a banger. Damn! And don't forget to like. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, so now we're on to the next step. What we're gonna do is season our wings. Like Chef Sam said, we are making a peach mango wings. Well, or you could maybe a Hawaiian style wings, whatever y'all want to call it. Comment below what y'all want to call it. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put a teaspoon of salt in your wings. Just a teaspoon, not too much, because we don't want what?
High cholesterol, your
Not
mother's.
you. I told it to the subscribers.
Oh.
I want them to
But
comment.
you didn't say chef and chefettes. So next time be specific.
Not you.
Fine.
I was asking
Fine.
the subscribers. Okay?
Are you gonna call it Hawaiian wings? Because if so, can you do a Hawaiian dance?
Oh no. No. Oh no. No.
Ooh, oh shoot.
All right, back to the video. So like I said, we're going to put a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper. Not too much of these. Now, for the other seasonings, I'm going to call them out one by one. We're going to put a tablespoon. So we got our Cajun seasoning right here. You're going to put about a tablespoon of that in there. Yeah, man. Get all that in there. Onion powder, another tablespoon. Garlic powder, tablespoon. Y'all following me?
Should I answer?
Not you.
Oh, okay.
Paprika, about a tablespoon, maybe a little less, depending on if you like spice. Uh-oh.
Bless you.
Always happens when I'm seasoning. All that the aroma, woo, goes right to the brain. And cayenne pepper. This you could put anywhere between 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon, depending on your preference. If you like things hot, you know we like everything
Hot!
Yeah, that was your cue. That was good. Your point. You understood the assignment.
Oh,
It was on
yeah.
point. So we're gonna put a tablespoon of this in here, guys. Once you add all these seasonings, you're gonna mix it up. That's why I got the glove on. But you know we want our wings nice and crispy. So we got two tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm gonna put one now. I'm gonna mix it up, and I'm gonna see if I need a little more. But the cornstarch, come close. I'm gonna need you to come in. The cornstarch is what's gonna make them wings crispy when you fry it.
Wow, look at that color.
Yeah, that's the paprika. The paprika gives it a nice color. I'm gonna add a little more. So like I said, I didn't want to put the whole 2 tablespoons.
Your nose is broken.
Yeah, that's the seasoning. All right, guys, so I'm going to mix these up. I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Chefettes, you didn't hit that like button yet, and you didn't subscribe. So now I'm not going to do anything until you do so.
Doop. Doop. Oh, wow, look. They did it.
Oh, look. They didn't. All right, guys, so now it's time to cook our wings. Guys, we are using an air fryer because it's healthy. If you don't have an air fryer, you can deep fry your wings. You can even throw them in the oven. Whatever you prefer, be my guest. But we're using our air fryer, so let me show you what we do now. So first we're going to take our non-stick spray. We're going to spray our air fryer. We already preheated ours for 5 minutes on 350. Guys, we're going to be cooking our wings in our air fryer on 350 for about 30 minutes. Halfway through, we're going to check it. And if it's cooked on one side, then we're going to flip it. Sometimes you don't even need to flip it, depending on your make and model of your air fryer. Some of them will do both sides at once. But halfway through, check it, just in case, all right? So guys, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place all of our wings inside the air fryer.
Guys, it's so important to make sure you don't overlap and you leave space in between to flip it. I'm just helping you, Chef Trini, because you're busy.
Got him!
All right, guys, so the wings are in the air fryer. Stay tuned for the next step. Like I said, 350 for about 30 minutes. Make sure you check it through.
Chef Trini.
All right.
Chefette. So we have our wings cooking. And now we're going to puree this peach mango
sauce.
We're going to puree it, all right? And it's so simple. This recipe is so simple. And it's going to come out so amazing. Super easy. Great for Super Bowl, great for appetizers, great for a quick meal. You're gonna thank us later. All right, so let's jump into it. We have our mango here, one whole mango. Let me move this over here. Can you see, Chef Trini?
I can see.
All right. I'm gonna put all this in here. Chef Trini, would you like to taste the mango?
No. I think you should get a bigger blender, you know. Look like you're running out of room.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh. All right.
I don't know. Just saying.
All right. Now we have our peach, one peach.
Don't nobody listen to me.
And one hot pepper.
Guys, disclaimer, this is optional.
Optional.
Yeah, you know we like everything hot, so we throw in one habanero pepper in there. But if you don't like it hot, skip it.
Skip it.
Don't put the hot pepper.
Another thing, if you don't like it really hot, cut it up and take out the seeds inside. But you know, we like it hot. So we left everything just so. Put it right in there. Let's close this up. Oh, look, Chef Trini, it closed.
It fit. With no room to breathe.
And we're going to puree. Alright guys, I'm going to show you what this looks like in a little bit.
Chefs and chefettes. The wings are done. So our wings cooked in our air fryer for 20 minutes on 350. Halfway through, I did check on them. I shook them up a little bit. If you want, you can flip them. I didn't even have to flip them. I shook them up a little bit and I let them cook. 20 minutes, 350. Your air fryer may different, so please check them halfway. On to the next step.
Chef and Chefettes, guys, did you do what Chef Trini said and hit that like and subscribe button? And turn on that notification bell? Because you have to stay tuned so every time we make something new, right? You think they listened?
I don't know.
I know you guys listen. All right, so since y'all did, I'm gonna tell you what's next, right? We made our chicken. Look how good that looks. Doesn't that look good? I wish I could just bite into one and show you already how crunchy it is. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna have patience. So we have a wok here. We heated it up and we're gonna take our butter. We have our mixture, our peach and our mango. We have brown sugar, we have some honey and some vinegar, all right? And we're going to show you what to do with this. We're gonna take our butter, put this in here until it's melted, a couple of minutes. you don't have a wok, you can just do it on the stove. Right, Blueface?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Don't call me Blueface.
Oh, sorry.
Good.
Sorry, honey.
Don't call me honey.
All right, babe.
Don't call me babe.
All right, my love. Bye.
My name is Chef Trini.
All right, honey.
Chef Flickin' Trini. Cook the damn food. I think that thing needs to be a little higher, you know.
All right, let's put it a little higher. A little bit higher.
Yeah.
All right. It's gonna mix. All right, so let this get a little hot. Let me open this up. So we're putting our stuff in this order, all right, guys? Oh my God, I'm gonna come in and let y'all see what this looks like. It's really good. Look how we get this. Look at that. Can you see that?
We can see it.
That looks good.
Mango peach habanero sauce.
Oh yeah, y'all saw that? Y'all saw that pepper that went into it?
Yeah, we like everything hot. So, guys, if you don't like it hot, don't put the habanero.
Yeah. Or if you just like a little, take out the seeds inside. All right, let's lower this down a little bit.
Yeah, it's hot. I can hear it.
Yes. All right, let's put our mixture in there. Let's get everything in there. Let's get it all.
Ooh, baby, that look good. It smells good.
Look at the color.
I'm coming in. I'm coming in.
Come in. We gotta get everything. Look at that. That looks so amazing.
It sure does.
Cooking this sauce. We cooking this bad boy. We'll let it heat up. And we're gonna add the brown sugar next. While it's heating up, guys, just stir it a little bit. You make sure you stir it because you don't want it to brown and burn.
Word.
Right?
Keep stirring it.
Keep stirring it.
Ooh, maybe you could pour the vinegar in the cup so you can get all the goodness out of there.
Oh, I like how you think, Chef Trini.
Of course, I smart, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's shake it up. I smart, you know.
You are smart.
I step him back. Yeah, get all that good stuff.
Look at that. Look at that.
That vinegar's gonna help cut some of that sweetness. Yeah, that looking good.
Look at that. Good.
All right, we can save that. There we go. Next step.
Next step.
Yeah, save that.
Next step, brown sugar.
Coming back in.
And it's gonna make this a little darker, give it a nice little color.
Oh yeah, I can already see it's getting brown.
Yeah, and guys, remember we put a hot pepper in there, so don't even worry about us. If you're gonna use a pepper, it's being too sweet. It's gonna break up. Everything is gonna blend together. It's gonna give a nice, rich flavor. It'll taste sweet in the beginning, and you get that little kick in the back of your throat.
Oh yeah, it's gonna go down sweet, and it's gonna kick in your bomb seed. Hot.
Yes, look at that. Look how fast that melted.
Yeah, that sugar disintegrated.
Yes.
Next is the honey. How much honey you putting?
I think I'm gonna put about a tablespoon.
Tablespoon of honey. Ooh, it's going down. You're struggling.
I am. All right, that's about a tablespoon. Let's mix that up. Look at that. There's no clumps. We pureed this so good because you want it to be like a paste. Why? Because we're gonna brush it right on. Well, we're not gonna brush it on. That's too much work. We're gonna throw it right in there.
Yeah, we ain't brushing nothing on. We throwing the wings in that glaze.
Yes. All right. It's bubbling. Let's vinegar.
Yeah. After you put all that ingredients in there, you want to let that cook for a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And like Chef Sam said, keep stirring. Keep stirring.
Absolutely.
Keep stirring.
And guys, all right. So I'm gonna lower this a little bit,
Yeah,
and then I'm going to throw these wings in.
Ooh, that tastes good. I ain't gonna lie, that tastes good.
I'm just gonna throw these bad boys in there.
Imagine if you threw some sriracha sauce in there too.
You know, it's gonna be on fire.
Well.
You like it hot though. You like it hot.
Well, yeah, I was gonna say I like it hot, but yo, that flavor good. I ain't gonna lie. Did you taste it?
No.
Oh, that sauce got a good flavor.
Look at this. Look how amazing this is.
Guys, we calling this Hawaiian wings, or what was the other name? The mango peach mango hot wings. Guys, comment below what you think we should call this, man, because we don't even know. We just be coming up with some crazy recipes.
We sure do.
I don't know. Yo,
look at this. Look at this.
Thumbs up and comment if you like Hawaiian wings. Thumbs up and comment if you like peach mango hot wings. Man, yo, that sauce tastes so good. You
I'm gonna
gotta
call these banging wings because that's what they are.
call it the cooking comedy wings.
Look at
Ooh,
that.
man.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Delicious.
Guys, we're gonna stir that up for how long should we leave the wings in there?
Like 5 minutes. Let it like thicken up a little bit. We're gonna plate this. Dig in.
Chefs and cheferettes. Woo! I'm drooling.
Can y'all see that?
Guys, these peach mango hot wings are done.
What about Hawaiian?
Oh, these Hawaiian wings, whatever y'all want to call it, man. I don't give two flying. Guys, the wings are done. We can't wait to try it.
It looks and smells amazing.
Yo, it smells amazing. The sauce tastes amazing. Yo, make sure y'all hit that like, comment, and subscribe button because this is a game changer right here. Who else you know that made some peach mango wings?
If they did, they ain't make it like us.
They ain't make it like us, man, but we still need your help naming this.
Yes. How about you taste one? Let me feed you.
Nah, I'm good. I taste one when you wasn't looking. I'm sorry.
You did?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
I did. I did.
All right, well, I'm gonna taste one.
I ate one already.
I can't believe you.
Yeah, you were.
Never heard of ladies first?
Guys, the wings is banging.
Wow.
Yo, the flavor is amazing.
You hear smoke? I don't know what we did, but the flavor soaked into the meat. It's not even only on top.
Make it!
Oh, there we go.
Guys, we ain't got nothing else to say. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we are out!